Hi, this is a video for Accounting A-Level. My name is Peter Lawrence. Start off with what is accounting. I'm going to start off by saying it's not maths. A lot of you will be wanting to do accounting because you think it is maths. It is numerical in nature, but it is more to do with logic and structure. Accounting is like a giant puzzle. Every number has a place, and you've got to make sure you know exactly where each one goes. So if you're a logical kind of person, if you like things in a very particular order, then accounting might well be for you. It isn't really like maths. We do some adding, dividing, taking away, multiplying, all the basics, but we won't be doing any of the more difficult maths that you may have seen during your GCSEs. So really, what is accounting? Well, it's the process of identifying, measuring, recording and communicating financial information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of the information. So what exactly does that mean? Well, basically what it means is we take every transaction that a business may do, things like sales and purchases, buying a new shop, buying a new van, etc. And we record all that information in such a way that all the particular items that are of the same type, all the sales, all the purchases, etc., are identified in one. Once we have got all those together, then we can start to create what we call financial records or financial statements. These are then communicated to anybody who wants to look at them. So working out things like profit, things like how much our company's worth, etc. All of that information has to be put into a very particular format so that loads of different people can understand it. It would be no good if you looked at the profit of one company and it was worked out in a completely different way to how another company worked out their profit. So we have a standard set of forms that we have to fill in order to communicate information to lots of different people so that they can make the correct decisions. And those decisions can be things like, do they want to invest in the company? Do the staff deserve more wages? Are we making a loss? And therefore, what can we do to make sure we don't make a loss in the future? So it's all about making sure the financial information is put in a format that is understandable to a wide range of people, and that it's clear and concise and correct so that decisions can be made. So think of it not like maths, but do think of it as numerical, and it's all about that logic. It's all about that structure. And if you get that, honestly, you'll be fine and you'll love it. So about the A-level itself, there is no coursework. The exams are all at the end of the second year. There are 2 exams, that's all you'll sit, but they are 3 hours long each. Now, I've said it's numerical. However, there are large written parts to the exams these days. So at least half of your marks now will be based on your ability to analyse and evaluate financial information, making decisions as we've just discussed. So you will be expected to do long form essay questions. I know that might not be for some of you, but I just thought I'd tell you. We are with the AQA exam board, and you'll do a wide range of topics from the financial statements that we just talked about to UK and European legislation. We will still be doing some European legislation despite Brexit happening. And you'll also learn a wide range of skills. So you won't just be sat with a calculator sticking numbers into this correct order all of the time. You'll be doing some problem solving. You'll be communicating, as we've discussed, and lots of skills that will be transferable straight into a workplace. Finally, we've got a little task for you to do. Very simple. All I want you to do is write a short report, no more than 1 side of A4. And I want you to outline the differences between management and financial accounting. They are 2 separate branches of the accounting profession. So in that report, I want you to include the different professional bodies that we might use and the different tasks that each role would have to undertake. This will give you a lot more information, a lot more understanding about what an accountant does in the real world. So I look forward to seeing that, and I look forward to meeting you when you start at the college. Bye-bye.